Yes, but Hey, Tana, can you hear me? Okay, this one. Tapos absent na ako. Okay, so we have here Tana, can you hear me? Tana, where are you?
I'm here, teacher.
Kana mo na. Okay, pag Monday dagan kayo.
About my
75. Can you hear me? So speaking,
yeah,
describe the photo. What are the people, do you think, and what might they be saying? So look at this. One in the picture. What can you say about the photo? Can you please describe?
I I think I see two girls watch the poster or a picture, and I think I might they be saying is about the poster or the picture is pretty, or will have to do something. I think so.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you can see two girls just like they're watching something. Like it's they're looking for an apartment, I guess, because you can see different houses here. Now here, Tono, please read the dialogue, ignoring the gaps, and check your idea from past one. Okay, please try to example. I will give you example for number one. Okay, so, so I think this flat we've seen so far, they're all quite expensive brands. Seem to be getting higher and higher. But this one, the least expensive, and it's the Blanc to the city. So what do you think? Okay, so what will be the answer? Okay, you can write your answer in here. So the two girls are Jenny and Beth. They are talking with each other. Okay? Okay, nearest to the city, correct? Worst, correct? Highest, the location isn't as bad as you think. It's far from the center. Than, it's farther because there is the word than. And then, okay, correct. More spacious. Okay, very good. Okay, next one. Okay, so we use words when we are talking in superlative form. Okay, we use this one. Worst. So always remember when we have this superlative, we have the most generous. The most generous. Okay, so you can see generous. It's in 3 syllable. So you have to use the most. The most. Okay, here.
Okay.
Comparative form. Oh, you know already. There's the word than. Okay, we can use less and least with uncountable nouns like this. But less spare time than you with ha, and then who's got least the money. We often use of after superlative adjective like Jamie is the smallest of the 3 brothers. So we have here the superlative smallest. So we will use of after the smallest. Next, here, like the most intelligent boy in class. We can make comparisons with clauses as well as with nouns. A4. We often use superlative with the present perfect and ever. Alex has got the biggest dog I've ever seen. Okay, we often use superlative with the present perfect and ever. Alex has got the biggest dog. Okay, we can compare two things using not as us. Okay, Julie is as tall as mine. So when you try to compare, so you use as. Okay, Leah isn't as tall as Joey. Did you give it? You give her? Then we use double comparatives to emphasize that something is changing. The weather is getting hotter and hotter. Okay? We use double comparative to emphasize that something is changing. The weather is getting hotter and hotter. So we use comparative, double comparative, the word hotter and hotter, because we try to emphasize that something is changing. So the weather is getting hotter and hotter. The weather is getting colder and colder. We use the comparative to say that one thing changes with another. The more carefully you check your work, the fewer mistakes you will make. Okay, here. Remember regular comparative and superlative forms. Okay, so we have here. So these are the adjectives and these are the comparative and of course in superlative form. Okay, good, better, the best, bad, worst, the worst, far, farther, the farthest. And then if it's in adjective form like well, badly, and far, so we will gonna use this in comparative as better. So you will not say it's weller, it's better and the best. Badly, you will not say badlier, ano? You will gonna say worst and the worst. It's in superlative. Please don't try to forget that you have to add the word far, farther, and the farthest. Far, farther, and the farthest. Okay, here. In this one, Tano, match each highlighted words with the phrase in the dialogue. Example, ha? Okay. I think this plot is the best we've seen. Okay, we use this one. Okay, so you can use this. Sorry, ha? Okay, please check this one. Then after Tono, okay, you answer the next task, number 4, okay?
Okay.
So which do you think of these phrases here? I mean, these phrases A, B, C, D, you have to choose from the highlighted words. So what your answer will be in the highlighted words. Okay. So if you're done, you tell me so we can move to the next.
Okay.
Okay. Next one. Okay, let's have this.
Fitness teacher.
And okay, letter E. Okay, more easily than this one. Okay, very good. Then the other one. Okay, wow, very good, Tono. Okay, we use fewer and fewest with countable nouns. That's one, fewest. Can we use least for this one? We can use less and least with long adjectives and adverbs. Okay, now please correct the mistakes in the sentence. Look at example number 1. This year, the mistakes here is this year. Okay, next one. Okay, just underline the mistake.
Fitness teacher.
Okay, so number 2. Okay, so this is the wrong. Okay, 2. Correct, more short. Or you will not use more because short is only one syllable. Okay, then clever. Okay, next one we have. Okay, look at I'm busier today. So busier here is the shortest boy in the class. So there is no word off in here. So Kate's shorter than Alice. Again, no more. You're not as clever as me. Okay, because you already have asked. Today is the longest day of the year. Longest day of the year. Okay, the longest because this is superlative. Okay? So, no? Okay. So, ano, when will I see you again?
Wait a minute. I think, morning,
Saturday. How about Saturday? Are you free Saturday morning?
today. I
Saturday morning.
think morning, I think I will busy. can we
Okay.
have class
Saturday or after
at
evening. Okay.
Sunday Sunday
Sunday,
evening?
evening, Sunday.